Okay, I am done straightening up. What I did was I got rid of all the trash that was there. I kind of tried to organize all the medicines that I take. So medicines like, like my vitamins, anything that I take, because it's been like crazy season just recently because it's warmer out, the allergies are messing up, and then my nose is getting stuffy as well. So I try to organize everything, and I have my halls there because my throat gets scratchy and hurts at times. I need to re-up on my Premier Protein. This is pretty good. It tastes really good. This one is the Bake Shop. It tastes good. I had another one called the cinnamon roll. That one is delicious. I say was because I did drink it up. I mean, it's gone. Drank, drunk, it's gone. But this one, these are good. It's supposed to be 30 grams of protein. So, trying to get my protein intake up. This is my sleep mask that I wear at night. At times, it's weighted, just like I have a weighted blanket on my bed. That thing is amazing. It's amazing. So I have a Sleep Number bed, and the Sleep Number is good. I do like it, and the sleep is I did order a Sleep Number weighted blanket, but I was like, I don't like it that much, so I went and I ordered this one from Amazon. It is nice. It's only for one side because I'm the only one sleeping in my bed, so why get a full king size weighted blanket when I don't need it? So I just got one for one size, full size on the one side, and it's really nice. It is 20 pounds, and it is really good. I love the weight that it has on me at night. I do have a fitted sheet and a flat sheet on my bed, so the weighted blanket is not directly on me. And then also I have a heated mattress pad. Heated mattress pad is phenomenal. It goes from like 1 to 9 as far as the heat levels, and it can stay on for like up to 12 hours or for time, and then shut off after 12 hours. Or you can have it on continuously and you can just shut it off manually. So I do have that on the bed, and it's really good for my body. It feels good after I go to the gym, exercise and everything, take a shower, come home, and get in the bed, and it feels lovely. But anyway, after all of that, back to what I organized. So I do have my Stanley here. At night, I need to keep, like, this is like the 30-ounce one. I need to keep hydrated. So when I wake up in the middle of the night, at times I get really dry for some reason, maybe because I snore. But regardless, I have the water there, whatever I keep on tap. I do have an ice machine also that I like to fill up the Stanley with, and that ice stays for like 24 to 48 hours, depending on what I'm putting into the drink. If it's something that's warm, it lasts for like 24 hours. If it's room temperature or colder, it lasts even longer. But I love my Stanley. I really do. I really, really like it. I do have a water bottle here that I just opened today. I need to finish that today because I don't like water sitting around because it's stagnant. That's not good. I have my snacks. So, I do. Let me pause this because I do have a video playing in the background. I think you probably hear that. But anyway, and it is, I don't know the YouTuber, but anyway, these are my snacks that I have. They are different types of nuts, cashews, almonds, raw almonds, excuse me, cashews, raw cashews, honey roasted cashews, and then honey roasted almonds. I have my book here. This is my notepad. Like I said in another short little video, I am investing in myself, learning about my hair, learning about my daughter's hair, learning as much as I can so I know what to do for her. Growing up, I didn't have that. I can make another video about that. But this is really about this, but I'm really talking about what you see. So, like I said, this is my bedroom. So I have my internet provider cable remote, and then I have my not Roku. I got rid of that. I have my Amazon Fire Stick. This is my Amazon Fire Stick. Love my Amazon Fire Stick. I just really love Amazon. So I'm thinking about getting rid of my cable provider, and they need to do that ASAP because they're getting ridiculous. Like the pricing on that is ridiculous. Like I feel like I'm getting robbed for nothing. The only thing I'm really using that for is like in my sermons that I listen to every now and again. They have a Bible study on there every morning at 7 o'clock. So that's my morning routine. That's something I'll show you a little bit in another video. But this cable is ridiculous. I'm getting tired of it. I'm paying like almost $200 a month for cable and internet only, and I don't even look at it that much. But my Amazon, I am faithful. I am always looking at something on Amazon or Netflix. I'm using Netflix a lot. I'm using Prime Video a lot. There are some good shows on Netflix that I have been reviewing and binge watching. So I'll get into that another time as well. But also on Prime Video, I just started watching something called The Reacher or something like that. Big dude. I just started watching it. It seemed good, so I just started watching it. Just something to have on in the background. But yeah, so I'm looking at that. And then, in my bedroom, so because I have the heated mattress pad, it gets warm. So, and then also, I don't know who else out there does it, but I have a fan. This is my fan. And there's an oscillating fan, and I have like the Velcro strips on it. That when I am cleaning up and putting things away, there's only two places this remote should be. Either it should be here, or like you see, it was somewhere else, or attached to the fan itself. But this is an awesome fan. I can oscillate it. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. Turn it so it goes like 180 degrees. It has a timer. It has a mute button. So if I push the buttons on the remote, it does not make sound. And this Drio is awesome. It's pretty. It's like a rose gold color. It is really pretty. I'm not going to show you my room because my room is a mess right now. But yeah, so that is the muted button. Like if I click it, you wouldn't hear the buttons clicking. But anyway, this is the up and down for the speed of the fan, and then obviously the off button. This is a really nice fan. I bought it from Best Buy. It was like 100 something. I bought two of them. So I have one downstairs in my living room and one upstairs in my bedroom. And they are really, really, really cool. But this is something I keep in my room, and I keep it on all the time. This button here are different menus that you can choose on the fan. So it has like a economic or whatever, money saver, I would say, setting on it, so that if it's running too long, it kind of like knocks down the speed, so you're kind of power saving. But regardless, I have this thing on all the time, and it's nice. It's really nice. So I have it across the room. It's behind me across the room, and I can feel it, and it feels really good. And it kind of blows the air through, and I have like a Febreze thing that I have plugged in, and it makes my bedroom smell beautiful. But okay, then I said this is my Sleep Number eye mask. So I use it, and it is weighted as well. I don't use it that often, but when I do use it, I use it at night, and it feels good. If it does feel good, especially like when I have a sinus pressure or something on my head, or I just want to relax. This is very relaxing to have. It has elastic back, so it goes over the top of my head, and this is really, really easy to take off and on. But this is nice. I got it during the Christmas season, so it was a discount on it as well, because it was like on sale or something. We're trying to get rid of everything. So like I said, I have a lot of things on my bed, especially at night. Like, I don't know why I have this. What is that? Oh, that's my I need to get rid of that. But anyway, I have all this stuff here. I kind of organized it because these are the things I do reach for on a time-to-time basis. I don't know why I have this here, but this is my facial toner from Trader Joe's. Hydrate and Refresh. It is rose water. It does smell pretty. It smells really good. But I do use this from time to time. After I wash my face in the shower, I do use Neutrogena, like a face wash, and then I use a facial toner, and then I go into my the rest of my morning routine. I'll show a video on that a little bit. Maybe, I don't know where I'm going with all this, but I just wanted to show you some stuff. Like I showed you my water, that, but then, oh, this is my tissue. So I was buying box tissues and they were running out too fast. Like, I'm getting tired of like running to the $1.25 store, no longer dollar store, and I even think it went up again. It's just getting ridiculous. I usually use paper towels, like if I have to blow my nose, if I sneeze, if I wipe my face, wipe my mouth, anything. I have this on deck, so I don't have to run into the bathroom all the time, like run down the hallway and go to the bathroom. Don't feel like doing that. But yeah, that is that. And then I also have this pillow. This is my pillow. Where did I get this from? Is this slip number 2? I don't know. No, I got this off of Amazon. So this is another pillow that I use at night. And this helps with my back as well. So I've been in a couple car accidents and I've been having some problems with my back. So what I was told and was suggested by my chiropractor is to use this. So at night, I'll sleep on my side and have this in between my legs, like between my knees, so that my hips are adjusted correctly and my back feels great. So I use that at night as well. I'm not always consistent with it because when girl, or whomever's watching this, when I get in the bed, I get in the bed. I don't play. I go to sleep. It doesn't take me that long to go to sleep, especially in this bed with my heated mattress pad on, or this eye mask. I'm knocked out. Especially I got my water. If I'm fully hydrated, my throat is good. I don't have any problems with allergy. My protein, I'm taking my protein, so my gut is full. Chef's kiss, and I am out like light. But yeah, so I use that. And it keeps my back, my back aligned, my knees aligned, and everything. So that's really, really good. But I did want to share with you guys these 2 products that I do use. After I make my bed and the things are put away and I clear everything off, I usually spray my bed down with this Audubon. I hope I'm saying that right. Audubon, whatever. This is the Life Research scent, and this smells good. So I just take it and I spray it. I don't spray it over top of my drink or anything like that, or my food or anything. I remove everything off the bed. And even before I make my bed, I spray the sheets where my body touches. I pull back at the back. I pull back the flat sheet and I put this on, and it's good. I did start with using this, my disinfectant spray. And I'm like, oh, lemon is really strong. It's a really good spray. It's not Lysol. It's the Great Value, which is the Walmart brand of Lysol. But I used this and I liked it. I liked it, but it was kind of like really wet. So I started using Audubon, and this one is lavender, and it's a disinfectant too. So I was like, let me try it out. And I love the way this smells. So I bought this one, and there's another one, eucalyptus, I think it's called. I think that's what it is. But this is good. I really liked it. So I started using this instead of the Walmart brand of Lysol. And I didn't really notice the difference. I just know that it smells good and I feel good because it says kills 9.99% of germs. Just like this one does. So I was like, okay, it kills the germs, and it kills the human coronavirus in 60 seconds. So bad. I'm the only person sleeping in this bed, so if there's any coronavirus, it's dead. So yeah, so that's what I do. This is my bed. I am a little embarrassed about showing you the rest of my bed, so I'm trying to kind of hide that from you guys. But yeah, this is me. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Thanks.